Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Saidbysed here and I'm going to show you how to paint water for your artworks. The easiest way to start is building a dark base everywhere on the background. A gradient would be the best looking option, but don't just use the gradient tool. The best tool would be to use a pen or a watercolor brush to build strokes with the shapes of waves and then blur it all out. This way, you can still see a little bit of the lines that will help achieving the final water effect. As far as colors go, the most common scenario will be to first define where the light is coming from on the background and then work it from there. Start with the lightest, warmest blue and finish with the darkest, coolest one. And also add a little bit of black if you are putting your characters really deep into water. And you can also add a little blue or a little yellow in the lightest area, depending on the light source outside the water. Then, with a transparent brush and one of the lighter colors, and I'm using here a watercolor tool, start adding strokes to the denser areas of water. Or if you are just painting a plain background, do it everywhere. Use twirly strokes and do not be afraid to add too much. Also, do it in a different layer to be sure to be able to adjust it easier. Make some parts lighter now, and after that step, start adjusting how dense the lighter patches are with a eraser tool. The best result will be to use just one stroke of the eraser at a time, and combining it with a blur tool to make it look more like water than with just a net underwater. When you believe that you are almost done, you can try to add some ribbons of the lightest color and removing edges with the eraser to make it look like the water reflections on the ocean floor. This will also be useful to create reflections on character or other objects that may be in your picture. And voila, this is the final result. In my world, water creates naked reflections of people, so there it is, a sexy Aquaman artwork. A full resolution image will be available on my Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and DeviantArt pages. And there is also a not safe for work version available for purchase if you'd like. Please follow me everywhere and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support if you want to see more. Comment down below if you have any critique, suggestions, or questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you all again very soon. Bye bye.